Hey, it's Matt from Gravity Forms. Today I want to talk about a new feature coming to the Advanced Post Creation add-on for Gravity Forms. The Advanced Post Creation add-on allows you to create posts, pages, and custom post types inside of WordPress through a Gravity form. So if you are building some kind of like business directory listing and you're using custom post types, you can actually have a Gravity form so that users can enter that information and it'll automatically create that custom post in the WordPress admin, or a blog post or a page, totally up to you, and however you want to take that content from Gravity Forms and send it over to a post in WordPress. The Advanced Post Creation add-on will now have a way for logged in users to see a nice table of entries that they've entered into a form, and then click that and edit that entry data, obviously without having access to the Gravity Forms admin. So if you have an organization that you have built a business directory for, some kind of public directory, resource directory, and it's all from Gravity Forms and custom post types, this is a great addition for you. So let's just take a look at the setup of the new feature. So this very simple contact form here actually creates a blog post. So that's what we're going to use as an example. So I'm going to hover over settings and go to post creation. We have the post creation feed already made. So let's click edit. And those of you who have used this add-on before will see a few new things. You'll have this new post editing settings option up top, and you'll see a little message like this where it says if you change the author to anything other than a logged in user, post editing will be disabled. So post editing only works for logged in users for their own entries. So if I'm logged in as Matt and I put in 12 entries into a particular Gravity form, I'll be able to edit those 12 entries, but I won't be able to edit the entries of, let's say, Jane and her entries that she has in WordPress. This also does not work if you have a payment processor feed set up like a Stripe or a Square. It's only for, at least at this point, standard content going into a custom post type. Okay. In this post content setup, I have my title of my post and the body of my post, and it's going to be the first name and last name, which you'll see in a moment, in my contact form as the title, and then the comments field of that contact form going into the body. Let's just take a look at a sample post. You can see that right here. It says Matt Medeiros. It's in draft mode, and the content of that post was testing this, and I'll edit it later, right? So let me go back, and let's go to the page with that on it, and that is the entry edit page. So let's view that. So it's just a simple contact form. We're going to say Bob Smith, Bob at gravityforms.com, Bob at gravityforms.com, and this is my content all about Bob. So I'm logged in as the Matt user, as you can see up here, and I'm putting in my Gravity form entry. So let's go ahead and hit submit. And then typically, a logged in user is not going to see Gravity form entries, right? Obviously. So we'll go to forms, view the entries, and you can see these two entries right here, Matt Medeiros and the Bob Smith. You should also see the test post right here. So Bob Smith, that's the one that we just entered in, getting piped over to the posts. And if we preview that, you should see this is my content all about Bob. Now, let's go back to pages. Let's go to this test page. So the new feature of the advanced post creation is this block. And this APC block list will give us a interactive view of the entries for the logged in user. So we can see right here, live in the editor, these are the two posts that we just looked at. We have the Matt Medeiros post in draft mode. We have the Bob Smith post in draft mode. So I'm going to save this. There are a bunch of options here on the side where you can kind of customize this. Very simple stuff. But let's just look at the functionality first. So if we go to the front end, now we'll see that Bob Smith and Matt Medeiros entries for Gravity Forms, I can view them, which will take me to those blog posts, because remember, we're making post type creations, not taking them to the back-end settings. So let's just click Bob Smith. It's going to bring me to that post that we previewed. Let's go back. And now if I edit, it's going to take me back to that original Gravity form that it was entered in. And as the logged in user, I can come in here and modify this. So I'm just going to paste a whole bunch of text here. That way it's updated. So that was updated. And if we go back to look at the Bob Smith post, now you can see it all with that updated content. So you can see right there in a very simple, quick walkthrough that you can edit this content with logged in users. Again, great for directories, some kind of public directory or resource directory that you've built for your organization, digital profiles, like stuff like that. Sky's the limit with what you can build with Gravity Forms. But this is a welcomed feature to the Advanced Post Creation add-on. You can register users with Gravity Forms with the user registration add-on. You can now create this content with the Advanced Post Creation add-on, and now you can edit that with a logged in user and assign those users to that content. It's fantastic stuff. We're really excited about it. Hope you like it as well. Let us know in the comments. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more.